Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. So since the start of this channel, I think the first video I put up was around Bert's terrarium, and I've made a couple of videos since then. I've always talked about the importance of ventilation in a wooden viv, and I've also talked to you a little bit about adding fans in the back of this vivarium. I haven't been able to show you these working in the past just because they're at the back of the terrarium and it's a bit of a hassle to pull it out, so I thought today I would add an extra fan on to the terrarium for you. This will help with the airflow as well for Bert, and also there's a good chance to show you how I do this. So if it's something you're interested in, then please stay tuned. Without further ado, let's crack on with today's video. Okay, so in order for me to install the fan today, I've already pre-drilled a hole in the side of the terrarium using the hole saw. And the fan I'm going to be using today is just a simple PC fan with a USB connection. I'll then be adding this onto a timer. This will assist with the ventilation in the tank, like I said. If you want to know a little bit more about this tank, then please check out the first video on my channel. I've also done an update with some maintenance on the tank a couple of videos ago as well, so feel free to check those out. But with that said, let's crack on and get this fan installed. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you found that useful. For any of those people who wondered how I increased the ventilation in the tank, I hope you can see how I've done that now. If this is something you're looking to do yourself, I'll add the links in the description of some of the materials I've used today. As you can see, it was quite an easy process and something you could easily replicate yourself. Again, I'd just like to use this opportunity to thank you for all your support. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, then please do. If you've been following this channel and you're a Bert fan like I am, then I do have a couple of shirts available with Bert on them. If you'd like to check those out, I'll leave the links in the description. If there's any videos you'd like to see going forward, then please comment in the section below. I'll be sure to add those to my list. I'm going to try and get a reptile room tour video going in the next couple of weeks, so if that's something you're interested in, then please make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you make sure you don't miss any updates. If there's anything you'd like to see any more of, then please check me out on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. I upload every day, so if there's more updates you'd like other than my YouTube videos, then please suggest you go and check those out. I really appreciate your support as always. But thanks again for joining me, and thanks from Bert, and we'll see you next time.